Have you ever felt stuck in a rut and unable to move forward in life? Do you feel that you have untapped potential but don't know how to access it? If so, then you are not alone.
Many people struggle to move forward in life and achieve their goals.
The good news is that you can learn to unlock your potential and explore lasting change through meditation and reprogramming beliefs.
In this video, we will dive into how to use meditation and reprogramming beliefs to unleash your potential and create lasting transformation. We will explore the power of change, how to overcome challenges, the power of our thoughts, and how to take control of your circumstances. So if you're ready to unlock your potential and create lasting change, then let's get started.
Change is essential for growth, but it can be uncomfortable. Unlearning, however, makes the process easier by shedding old beliefs that no longer serve us and replacing them with ones that align with our desired future. Through this practice, we can unleash our potential and become the best version of ourselves. Beliefs reprogramming for lasting change. The power of beliefs lies in their ability to shape our reality. By reprogramming our beliefs, we can create lasting change and unlock hidden potential. This transformation begins with understanding the power of thoughts and how they influence us in both positive and negative ways. From here, you can begin to challenge any limiting or false beliefs that are holding you back from achieving your goals.
You can also use meditation as a tool to help rewire your brain and create new patterns of thinking, finding clarity through meditation. Meditation is an effective way to gain clarity on what you want out of life and what steps need to be taken in order for you to achieve it.
During meditation, we enter into a state of stillness where we can observe our own thoughts without judgment or attachment, allowing us to look within ourselves for answers. It's important not just to recognize our current circumstances, but also understand why they exist before making changes. That will bring us closer towards unlocking our true potential, taking control over your circumstances. Once the process of unlearning old beliefs has been initiated, it's time to take control over your circumstances by taking actionable steps towards reaching your desired outcomes.
Whether this means starting a business venture or switching up career paths, taking risks is essential for growth, as long as those risks are calculated ones.
When faced with tough decisions, remember, when one door closes, another one opens. You just have to stay open. Mind it enough, find it.
By implementing these methods consistently, anyone can learn how to access their inner potential and create meaningful transformations over time.
When we feel overwhelmed, it's often because we need to make changes, but don't know where to start. This feeling signals cognitive dissonance, the moment when transformation takes place. But if we remain in a familiar routine without a vision for our future self, we live on autopilot with no free will. Unlearning begins by becoming conscious of unconscious thoughts and separating from subjective experiences like fear or judgment from others. Breaking free from past patterns is crucial before relearning something new for personal growth. Creativity demands presence and defiance against limiting programming,
like worrying about what others think or fearing the unknown. An intention greater than any program that makes us uncomfortable when trying something new,
like exploring change through meditation, can help us create a better narrative for our lives. Becoming aware of these patterns is the first step towards growth.
The power of change. How to overcome challenges and unlock lasting transformation. Making the decision to change can be difficult,
but the potential impacts on both physical and emotional health are worth it. Change requires us to look at our stories and reprogram our beliefs in order to unlock lasting transformation. It is a process that requires effort and intention, but with dedication it can lead to profound results, such as healing serious illnesses or experiencing other types of major transformations in life. Having a clear vision of a better future instead of being defined by memories from the past can be tremendously helpful when making important choices that will bring positive changes into your life. Firmly intending to make these choices creates memorable moments that can have an amplifying effect when seeking transformation.
By gaining a greater awareness of yourself and understanding the difference between thoughts and reality, you can achieve success with any goals related to physical or mental health matters. Sometimes people hit rock bottom before realizing how much power they had all along for personal growth. This is a common way for people to observe themselves differently and open up to new possibilities for growth. Taking actions towards growth while inspired by elevated self-awareness allows for profound results if enough determination is applied along the way.
Change often requires facing unpleasant feelings head-on, but doing so displays courage and strength and leads to rewarding situations afterwards, if persevered persistently and faithfully. Take your time, focus on your goals, and embrace each step as an opportunity for self-improvement on this journey we call life. Friends, have you ever wondered what it would be like to experience transformation at the quantum level? To reprogram beliefs, create miracles, and heal yourself from the inside out?
It's not only possible but also achievable. Our thoughts have the power to manifest our reality in various domains, including self-improvement, personal growth, mindfulness, wealth, and peace. Understanding the power of our own thoughts is crucial to healing ourselves and creating miracles in our lives.
To reach this level of mastery, we must overcome feelings of lack, judgment, and other negative emotions. It's not enough just to think positively. We must also embody those thoughts and integrate them into our lives. As we demonstrate our transformation, people around us will notice the change in us, which will inspire them to make positive changes in their lives as well. By experimenting with new experiences, making different choices, and shifting our thought patterns, it's possible not only to suppress the genes responsible for diseases, but also enhance the genes
that promote health. This means we can surpass our physical bodies and environments, no longer allowing our personalities to determine our reality.
In essence, it requires recognizing how our brain maps every person, object, thing, or place to corresponding neural pathways activated when engaging with them directly,
or through visualization techniques like meditation or positive affirmations. Reprogramming beliefs takes practice, but it's worth it.
By exploring change through meditation and reprogramming beliefs, we may find that success comes faster than we ever imagined. We all feel the effects of our environment and circumstances.
We can become victims of our circumstances, but we have the power to take control and master our minds through positive change.
We can reprogram our way of thinking and feeling to create a life that works for us on our terms. By unleashing our potential, we can explore change through meditation and reprogramming our beliefs.
Regardless of age, social status, or background, anyone can learn how to make positive changes by understanding the formula and experimenting with it, even if they have never meditated before.
It all starts with believing in ourselves, which allows us to believe in possibilities and create a life that works for us on our terms. With consistent practice, self-improvement becomes easier and more enjoyable over time. There's no need for years of dedication. All you need is an open mindset and the willingness to try something new. As you gain mastery over your thought processes, it becomes easier for you to maintain a modified state of mind, no matter what obstacles come up throughout the day.
The journey towards self-mastery begins with trusting yourself enough to take risks and believing in abundant possibilities within reach from any starting point. It's time to take control of your circumstances by mastering your mind through positive change and unlocking your potential along the way.
In a nutshell, unleashing our potential is not only possible, but also achievable. By exploring change through meditation and reprogramming of our beliefs, we can transform our lives in ways we never imagined. We all have the capacity for positive change, and it begins with trusting ourselves enough to take risks, believing in abundant possibilities within reach from any starting point. Friends, if you liked our video, please show your love in the comment box and hitting the like button. God bless you all.